Shark Edge 360 low flat versus Scythe 460 taper. Let the battle begin. This battle is basically Meiko Maiden, or Maiden Meiko, either one, versus Bird Kazami. This Beyblade battle actually did happen in the manga, and it might even happen in the anime because Meiko actually has her own little anime kind of picture on the random booster box. So let's just see what happens. Let's see if what happened in the manga can happen in real life, and I won't reference the manga, but this is just a manga battle. So let's start the battle. Okay, I will basically just be launching Scythe most of the time, but we're just gonna see how crazy this battle gets. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Shark Edge lost a lot of stamina by doing that. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, mid-air collision. Okay, Scythe is doing his best. Scythe really isn't as bad as Bird is in the manga. I'll say that much. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh wow! Shark Edge wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! As it counted as an extreme finish. Scythe wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was crazy! Did you see that? It actually went outside of the... It went outside of the battle area. Wow. Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Shark Edge was trying to come back, but Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, that was crazy! Scythe is... Oh, interesting. Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, I have to count it. Scythe wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! What? Okay. Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh! Huge hits! Yeah, I think Shark Edge just doesn't have the stamina for this. Like, the whole battle is just low on stamina. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hit. Okay. Yeah, there's a nice amount of recoil between these two. Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Scythe is just ricocheting all over the place. Oh! Wow. Shark Edge wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Whoa! That was almost an extreme finish. They clash a lot. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Using extreme dash shows advantage. Shark Edge wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that was crazy! Shark Edge wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, lots of ricocheting. Whoa! Okay. Now Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Burst finish. I didn't even get a chance to see what happened because I was checking the launcher string. How Scythe was that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! What? Burst finish? How? What? I don't know who won that. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, so it might actually burst more than Drawn Sword, which is weird. And Hell Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Hell Scythe wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Shark Edge hits really hard. And Hell Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! What? How? Okay, now I think I'm starting to see like problems with Shark Edge. Hell Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Shark Edge wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Oh! Okay. Shark Edge wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Small hits and Shark Edge wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hit! Really explosive battle. And Hell Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Lots of recoil. See who wins? Shark Edge is slowing down. It's not looking good for Shark Edge. And Hell Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! They chase each other on the extreme dash line. Hell Scythe is doing... Wow! Hell Scythe held up. Hell Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! I didn't expect that. Mid-air collisions. Shark Edge wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Shark Edge isn't done yet. Oh! It looked like Shark Edge almost won at first, and Hell Scythe won with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge upper attacks. Whoa. Okay. Hell Scythe wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hits. And Scythe was that round with the spam finish. So, if you'd like to support this channel, feel free to go to Model Toys. There's a link in the description, and when you click the link, you'll actually support my channel in the process. I also have coupon codes that can help you save money. It's called the Legendary R, and it saves you 5% on Model Toys and 7% on Bays and Bricks. Thank you for your support. If you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. All things help a lot. Also, yeah, overall, just these battles are really crazy. I'm really surprised at how aggressive these two Beyblades are. I'm really just glad that that Shark Edge was actually able to score some wins near the end, because that was really crazy. And I'm really glad to have Shark Edge, to be honest. I know it didn't seem too exciting in the unboxing, but I'm really glad to have it. It was just kind of disappointing that I didn't have the original color one, because I was really hoping to get the original color one. Either way, it's still amazing. And now I'll announce the winner. Your winner is Scythe 460 Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Still legendary. This one was kind of obvious in terms of, like after seeing like most of the battles, it was kind of obvious that Scythe won. But near the end of it, it started getting bursted and everything, so at least we can say that Scythe is kind of better in this sense, but either way, still Scythe won. Anyway, bye.